guys, welcome to my channel. Today is a very special day. Happy New Year! It's the first day of 2021 and I got a big surprise for you, your parents, anybody that's watching, and all for you. And here it is. Just gotta move these for a sec so you guys can see everything. Right here are all my Hot Wheels. There we are. Take a look. Yep. So yeah, there they are all. There are all my Hot Wheels. This is only some of them, okay? Here are all my other cars here. And also guys, I got another surprise. This car right here is an old car, and it's a treasure hunt, because you can tell by the wheels. And it's pretty cool. I think it's a treasure hunt, I'm not too sure. And also guys, we got another surprise. Some cool Hot Wheels that I got today. Here we got 3 new Hot Wheels. Right here we got a 2010 Impreza Chevy Impreza, 2019 Lamborghini Roadster, and we got a Pagani. I told you that I even got 2. So yeah, let's open one of them. I'm gonna pick the Roadster. So yeah guys, here we got the 2016 Lamborghini Centenario Roadster. Looking beautiful, it's a red, nice color. Right here. And it is from the... So yeah, here it is. And also the pack it's from, it is from the Roadster. From the Roadster. It is the second car in the set. So yeah, right here. And it's the 170th car in the set. It's the 170th car that's made. So let's open it up. Open it up from the side. So let's get the box put right here. Here we got the 2016 Lamborghini Centenario Roadster. It's got a cool red color, and what's cool is it's got a big windshield, and it's got these windows and this other window, and it's like a little hole here. And this car is like very cool. It's even got these it's got like 3 mufflers on the back, and it's even got some like star rims on it, and they're like a nice metallic gray color also. And take a look at it. And there he is. It looks beautiful and I love it. Hold up. There we are, fix it. And it goes perfectly. So we're gonna put it somewhere. We're gonna put it like right here. There it is. Okay, we got one of them. Next, let's choose another one. The Pagani. So yeah, the Pagani it's a green color, and it's a 2017 Pagani Hauyra Roadster. It's pretty cool. And it is from the Roadster pack. It is the 5th car in the set, the last car. So let's open it. It's even got like a nice color too. Here we got our Pagani. Right here. No wonder the wheels are stuck. That's okay. But here is our Pagani. It is the 2017 Pagani Hurricane Roadster. It looks pretty nice too. Look, it's got the cool little stripes and the classic little lights and the back headlights too. It's even got a stripe, and also it's even got 4 mufflers and a signature on the backs too. Look, it's pretty cool. But the only problem with this car I have, the tire, and I need to fix it. Yeah, guys, I'm a mechanic. I fixed the wheel. Did not see it roll. Looks nice. Oh, got my throat. Next car. This car, a 2010 Chevy Impreza, Impala, I don't know. But yeah, this car is a track car. This car is still real. It is a car from a track, and it's from the race team. It is the 2nd car in the set, right here. If you can look at the back. No, Dodge Charger RT. Oh, he's okay. Yay! It's a miracle because it's 2021. There, I fixed it all. I'm a mechanic again. So yeah, here it is. The back of the box. I've already showed the front. But yeah, guys, I want to show another thing. See, right here, there's like a little city. Godzilla's in there. Look, see a little Godzilla there. The Godzilla's in Hot Wheels now. Look at it. It's nobody even realized there's like a city back here and there's a little Godzilla. Look at that. There's Godzilla in the back. So yeah, time to open it. I'm excited. Really, really excited. Actually, really, really excited. And it's hard to open. It hurt my finger. Ow. Ow. Ah. Yay! Okay, get this out of here. Here we got the 2010 Chevy Impala, I think. It is a track car. It has all the cool like things on it with all the like race stuff. You got Hot Wheels logo, number 4, all these little brand things here. Not sponsored, by the way. And then we got some cool little like yellowish greenish rims. You got the little. You got some more like you got some cool rims right here, like kind of little stars kind of rims. I don't know, but yeah. Here's the front of the car right here. It got a nice dark blue. And it can beat like any car too. Well, not really any car. This car is special, but the only problem is it can't be that one, that one, that one, that one, that one. It could be that one. And it's like right here, in the middle right here. So yeah, let's put it right here. Here it is. It's looking beautiful. I love it. Here we are. 3 new cars added to my big collection. I even got some Teslas here. Yay. Here it is. And also here is the Urus and the other Urus. Both there. And also guys, you may realize in my collection there are some cars that you've never seen before and I've never talked about, right? So yeah, we're gonna look here. You're saying, Zamir, you've never talked about this Audi R8 Spider. Because I never made a video of it. Look at this. It's an Audi R8 Spider. Very cool. Audi R8. I've even got Akira, or a black Akira with a red stripe in the middle. And I've even got like a Ferrari. I got a Ferrari 25L. Which is a race car and is old too. I've got an Aston Martin right here. This is a white Aston Martin. And where's my other Aston Martin at? Where'd it go? Right here. What? I lost my Aston Martin. It is gone. Oh, right here. This red one I got. Got a red one even. And then I've got this Camaro. I think this Camaro right here. And I got all these ones and some other ones. These two, and even like all the other ones here. Look at this, it's a big collection. And also guys, in the comments, tell me what your favorite car is, okay? So yeah guys, this is the end of the video with all my Hot Wheels, with the Roadster, the Pagani, I think it's still broken. The Pagani. We haven't got the Impreza. Okay. So yeah guys, this is the end of the video right here. Make sure to like and subscribe, and also have a gaming channel, Zamir Gaming 101. Check in the link in the description so you can watch and play Roblox and also maybe a little bit Call of Duty. So yeah guys, bye, and also have a good new year and stay tuned. Bye. You can even take a little peek. Bye. Hope you had a good day too.